Hey contractors, I know from personal experience that estimates can be very time consuming, but what if you could build a professional estimate in the time that it takes you to drink your coffee? I'm going to show you how. Here on estimate.com, we started in a new estimate. This is just going to be a real quick tutorial to give you an idea of how to use this. So we're going to go down here to project information, and for this, we're going to do kitchen remodel, just for this example. Put in some basic information here, the project type, that's going to be important. And in the project description, you can either voice input or type in. For brevity purposes, I'm going to cut and paste, then you don't have to be tortured by my typos. And now here's where the magic happens. It's going to generate a materials list based on your project description. The more specific and comprehensive you can be in that description, the better it is. So here it's generated a materials list of things you might need. You can go here to market prices. It's going to give you the market average prices for the area that you're in. That's why it's important to put in the zip code. You can see here that we have base cabinets. And I've just put in 36-inch. You can see that it says that it found them on the list. So we're just going to enter in how many we want, and it's going to substitute it into the list. There we go. So now 5 each at $330 gives you the total price. Do market prices. Let's look for kitchen sink. We'll put in a farmhouse sink and so on down the list. And now here at the bottom, you can put in stuff that you might have forgotten or easily gets forgotten, like cabinet fillers. And then you can enter in the price there. So if it's not on the market list, or if you have things that are trickier to price, like quartz countertops, if you have a specific supplier that you like to use, you can search items and you can search it in a specific store here. And then when you get the price, you can just add it in to the line that applies, or you can add in something else. Now go down here, you can add in labor, add in equipment rentals, notes and conditions. Then you go over to the summary, you put in your waste, your markup, your sales tax. You save your estimate, then it'll generate a PDF. Now here is the great part. It doesn't matter how many typos or how unprofessional your project description sounded. It's going to polish it up and make it into a professional sounding, client facing project description that you can be proud to send to your client. So you can generate the PDF. It's going to download into your computer or your device, and then you can email it to your client or print it out, do whatever you want. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have yourself an estimate. If you want a rough estimate, you can use the market prices. If you need more exact pricing, you can do the store lookup. All right. Well, I hope this helps. That's it. It's estimateassistant.com. It's $29 a month, and there's a 7-day free trial. The link is in the description. So I hope this helps, and you could stop losing your evening's estimate and save yourself some time, energy, and sanity.